Pratishth. What are we going to talk about?
Teeth and parts of our tooth.
Okay. First of all, can you tell me how many teeth do we have?
32.
Oh, wow. So, can you tell me the type of teeth? Which are?
Incisors.
Can you put them here? Can I give you?
Yes.
Just take them. All the types. Yes. First, you can tell me what are the types. Pratishth. Pratishth, can you tell me the type of teeth? You want to put the parts of tooth first? Okay, let's put it. What is that?
Enamel.
Okay, what comes next? Okay, can you name it?
Dentine.
Pratish, not like that, just put it. Okay, then what comes? You just name it first. What are you finding? Okay, now just put it. Put it first. Yes. What is that?
Pulp and gums.
Okay. Now what are the three main part of tooth?
Crown. Cementum. And root.
Very good. Excellent. Now, can you tell me what are the types of teeth and what every type? Okay. What every type of a teeth do?
Incisors.
Incisors. Just put incisors first.
Incisors. Premolars.
Not that far. Here. Yes. First comes incisor. Then
Incisors, canines, Premolars, and Molars.
very good. Can I arrange them a little bit? Yes. Thank you. Don't keep it far. Okay, you want to put it that way? Okay. Can you tell me what incisors do?
Chop.
And?
Cut.
Okay. What canines do?
Rip.
And?
Stab.
Wow. Then what is this? What comes next?
Crush. Crush the food.
Crush the food. Okay. And then molars.
Grind.
They grind it. Wow. So the types. Can you tell me the type again? All the type of the tooth? Teeth?
Incisors, canines, Premolars, and Molars.
Okay, thank you. Say thank you to everyone. Sit down.
Thank you.
Look over here and say thank you.
Thank you.